Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a prize you have received recently. Example money, something valuable, a medal. You should say what it was, when you received it, what you did to receive it, and explain how you felt about it. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, I have taken part in a lot of competitions in my life in various fields, including sports, dance, and music. But today, I would like to speak about one that has been quite memorable for me. I vividly remember that I had participated in an inter-school debate contest when I was in my ninth standard, which was held at the auditorium of my school, and I bagged a gold medal for securing the first position. Moreover, there were 20 other students who took part in the competition and belonged to different schools located in New Delhi. Additionally, the participants were asked to choose a topic card randomly, and I was assigned to talk about plastic waste pollution. I addressed a huge audience comprising of students, teachers, as well as parents. I spoke about the detrimental effects of plastic on the environment, how it disturbs the ecological balance and disrupts the natural processes. So, we are using a lot of lexical resources here like detrimental effects, which means harmful, and also we are talking about ecological balance, disrupting the natural processes, which will all add to our lexical resources course. All right, so let's move on. Furthermore, I also mentioned about recycling of plastic waste and how it could enhance our surroundings and also follow simple practices in our daily lives like using cloth or paper bags instead of poly bags, which could help in making our environment clean and green. Finally, I felt over the moon and jubilant as I received a standing ovation from the crowd after my speech completion, as I had won first prize in the contest, which was unimaginable for me in the beginning. So standing ovation simply means that the audience really loved your performance and gave you a round of applause. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.